আজি samla pola khoborti joint operation of Nagaland Police and Law Enforcement of Arunachal Pradesh aro West Bengal State milagina suspected drugs trafficker MD Hassan Uddin Dimapurti medical dukan kholi rakhigena choli thakya arrest kurlo shekogena Nagaland Police official press statement release kuri dia ase. Nagaland Police press release ti drugs trafficker MD Hassan Uddin son of Damash Uddin to medical dukan Murkipati ti kholi rakhigena drugs case investigation ja thakyati involved gena thakya paja sheko ase. Itu karni Hassan opoti detailed investigation shuru kurdigena joint operation of Nagaland Police, Arunachal Police aro West Bengal Police milagina Arunachal State bra thori loisha aro success operation rakhi loisha kogena khobor dia ase. Hatsa connection ti accused Hassan to postal delivery system of India Post logina parcel of morphine Dimapur bra West Bengal ti pathai dishe lipi 2 kg of morphine February moina West Bengal bra seize kurdigena saman laga dam to 8 crore of rupees laga thaksheko ase. Itu karni hatsa connection ti detailed investigation shuru kurdigena thorila Nagaland Police khan jonai dia ase. Drugs traffickers khan bra across the state family sobti chamla anigena young youth bishibra drugs user victim hoya ase. Itu karni Nagaland Police khan tu public citizen khan sobki drugs related cases pai jashe kuli report digena state bra drugs society hatai lobole urge kudia ase. Social media platform ti ja kali Manipur state Lok Sabha election ja thakya tamti pulin booth firing hatsa logina Arambai Tongol khan laga kam thakse kogina claim kuri thakya opoti Arambai Tongol group khan involve kuranai kogina clarification dia ase aro group khan tu kun kepi group laga namti inika activity karni instructed kuri dia nai ko dia ase. Khoborti itu clarification ani thakya tu social media platform ti video viral hoi jagena ja kali election process ti banduk larai kuri thakya opoti Arambai Tongol members khan bra ase kogena accuse kuri thakya karni response kuri dia ase aro group khan laga statement ti hatsa touli candidate machete ulagena thakya hobo pare ko dia ase. Itu karni hatsa connection ti group khan tu strongly deny kuri dia ase. Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority khan bra state laga hawa pani update di thakya khatar bra jan lobole thakya touli thunderstorm with lightning and moderate rainfall likely district of Kifri, Kohima, Nkukchun, Newland, Noklak, Phek, Samutur, Simnu, Tungsang, Wokha, Znebodo district ti experience kurbo kogena jonai dia ase. Itu karni safety measures rakhigena khuri gas under shelter nolobole NSDMA Home Department Government of Nagaland interest of public safety jonai dia ase. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind money laundering case issue karni jail kudigena thakya homoiti aji Aam Admi Party leader Saurabh claim kuri thakya tu Tihar jail ti Chief Minister Arvind rakhi digena slow death jail phitorti murai dibole kuri thakya ko dia ase kili party khan doctor consultation karni demand kriya opoti Delhi court khan order reserve kuri dan mite party official khan awas uthai dia ase. Aam Admi Party khan laga statement ti Delhi Chief Minister Arvind tu type 2 diabetes bemar thakya ase aro Tihar jail phitorti insulin demand kugena thakya opor jail administrators khan bra insulin recheck kuri thakya karni party members khan tu jail administration khan ki accuse kuri dia ase aro slow death kuri dibole rakhya ase kogena claim kuri thakya pailoi ase. Khobor pai thakya sabti Ajipshore Lucknow Agra Express bus ekta 32 passengers 7 jon bacha khan milagena ja thakya tamti achanak accident hatsa luk pai jasha aro hatsa ti passenger ekjon seriously jokhum kudishe kogena official khobor dia ase. Sources the group of passengers khan tu Janpur district Delhi bra marriage function karni ja thakya tamti Salbi Keda Bosti area te overturn ho jagena out of 32 passengers ekjon dangur jokhum pagena alag passengers khan tu minor thakshe koi dia ase. Karnataka state bra ekta breaking khobor pai thakya sabti Friday rati Miscreant khan city municipal council vice president BJP Naita kor attack kurdigena hamla dangur kuri disha aro hatsati BJP functioning leader bacha milai gena 4 jon murai dishe ko ase. Police khan last statement ti family members khan tu 2:15 AM in kadamti door nokri aha karni kunpa miscreant khan chor suspected kura issue nimiti police khan mati dishe olepi police khan gorno poncha ageti window door phangai ahigena family members khan gumai thakya 4 jon maki bacha milai gena murai dishe ko ase.